Have you ever wanted to create a banner for your newsletter instead of paying someone else to do it for you? Or have you ever thought of adding a personal touch to your emails or to your communication with a client or with your other colleagues, employees? So today I will cover this topic. I will explain how to create a banner using Illustrator. It's going to be an easy and a quick tutorial. You just need to have Illustrator and a connection to the internet. Just follow me. First, we need to open Illustrator. Well, if you don't have Illustrator, I have another video covering the same topic but using PowerPoint. I know that Adobe is a little bit expensive for a lot of people. It's around $50 euros per user per seat. So it might be too much for a lot of people. But in case you have it, you can use it. It's a very good option. I opened Illustrator and now we have on the left side the new file. I'm going to click on new file. Then it's going to be a web file. So we are going to use web and then we will go to the left side and we will give it a size. For emails, I prefer 800 times 250. And I'm going to give it email banner. I'm not going to save it now. I will save it later. I'm just going to click now on create. There are some other options, but you don't need them. So after creating it, we have this nice gray color in the background and we have this white area. This white area is where our image is going to be or our banner is going to be. So anything on this white area is going to be exported within the image. Anything is going to be off the white area is not going to be there. But now we created it, we need to add a background. And to add a background, we need to find some stock imagery, or if we have our own imagery, would be much more nicer. But in case you don't have, you can go to the internet and search. There are plenty of free sources. I'm gonna use Unsplash, which is a free image library, even for commercial use. So you can even use it for your own business. I'm gonna type Unsplash. And I'm gonna search for wallpaper. Yeah, and you can pick any one of them and use it as a background for your email. And you can use any one of them as a background for your banner. For example, this is a paid one. Let us filter to the free. We want just free imagery. I like this one. I'm gonna use this one. So we download it. I'm gonna just drag it. It's better to save this image in the same folder where you are saving your Illustrator file, because if you keep it in the downloads and you decide in the future to clean up your download folder, it's gonna harm your Illustrator file because it's just a linked file. I'm gonna save the time. We need to activate this option here to preserve the aspect ratio. and I'm gonna give it now 800 pixels. It's the same width of my artboard. And you see, this black line is defining the area of the image. There is another option to activate, which is trim view. It's going to trim anything off the canvas. This is our canvas, and anything off the canvas is going to be trimmed by this trim view. Now we have a nice image. In the background, what we need is now text. I'm going to add text, but because I have a version that supports Arabic language, it's starting with Arabic, so I'm going to just change it to a different language. I'm going to change it to Roboto, and then go to it, change everything to left to right, and we need to go to paragraph, and we need to change the direction to left to right, but it's still, we need to change it, the alignment, align to left. Now we have our text here. I'm gonna type, it's still writing from the left. Now it's good. Create your own banner. It's still showing from left to right, so we need to go again. I think now it's okay. Now we need to highlight the text. I think white is gonna look much better than black. I'm gonna make the text bigger. Gonna make it bold. I think it's too much. I think we need to reduce the line height. It's too much. We can make again the text bigger. We can add some guidelines to show the ruler. You need to press on Ctrl R. Then you can click on the ruler and just drag guidelines. We can't see the guidelines because we have the trim view. Deactivate the guidelines to see the trim view. To see the guidelines, now we have a guideline. I need a margin to left 35, so I'm gonna highlight them both. I'm gonna select the guideline in the text box, and clicking on the guideline, make it the key object for alignment, and then I'm gonna click on the horizontal left alignment. So now it looks okay. I think the most important thing in Illustrator is to learn how to mask images, because this is the most important thing that you need to learn in Illustrator. After creating a rectangle, now we need to highlight the box and the rectangle, the image and the rectangle, and clicking using the right mouse button, and then make clipping mask. Please remember that the rectangle must be on top of the image. I'm gonna send the image to the back, and now it looks amazing. So if your company has a logo, you can add the logo. We can also add it maybe on the I'm gonna bring the logo and add it to it. And now we can press and shift if, and you can see we have a nice banner. The last thing before finishing, we need to export it. You need to go to File, Export, Save for Web, and you can add type optimized because of text, and then save. Just search for a place where you can easily find it, and then click on save. That was it. If you have any question, please don't forget. That was it. If you have any question, please leave a comment and don't forget to like and subscribe.